Welcome back to the Footsteps for Life channel. Just want to say a quick thank you for everyone's suggestion in our previous video. Today's episode is going to be how to draw a flamingo. All you're going to need is a piece of paper and a pen or pencil. So go get yourself sorted and we'll get started. Just draw a little arc shape, which is going to be the start of our beak. And then while we're here, we're going to draw something like that. And we're here, we're going to do the eye as well. Let's draw a circle with two circles in there. Like that. While you're here, you can fill this in actually. So we're not going to colour in the circles, just the outside. Like that, and we'll finish off the beak. So the first bit of the beak, we're going to come off of here and down, and then we're going to come arch out and then down to meet the other side. Also going to draw a line through the middle, and we're just going to add another line through there, because this part of the beak is going to be a bit darker than the top bit. From here, we're going to do the flamingo's neck. So from this point, we're just going to arch down. And then from here, we're going to follow the line down also. And you can do it gradually, you don't have to rush. You can go down as far as you want to. I think I'm going to go down to about there. And then we're going to move on and we're going to draw the body. So from this point here, we're going to do a little arch out this way. Again, you can do it gradually, you don't have to rush anything. With this side, we're going to just slightly bend it around like so, and then we can extend this side, and we're going to start coming round. So we're kind of going into like an eye shape now, so we'll bring this round also, maybe to about there on the bottom, because we're going to be doing our legs very shortly. And this one can start coming down. And the bottom of your leg, just want you to do a little dip like that, because this is where our leg's going to go. And then as you come down here, you can do a few tail feathers, just like that. And then we'll come and arch it round to finish it off. Like that, starting to come together. We're going to do our wing now. So we're going to be inside the flamingo's body. And it's going to maybe start just here. We'll have come round, maybe to about just past the leg area, like so. And then we're not going to connect it all the way around here, so if we go just straight up from where we are to there, and we can bring that round, and then we're going to tuck it in like this. We're going to do 3 of these, And then we're going to come and join it up. So there's our flamingo wing. We'll bring a line in here, a line in there, and finally a line in there. Join those up to our feathers, like so. And then finally we'll just add a bit more of fluffiness inside here, like so. Now we're going to move on to our leg. So what we'll do is we'll start from this area here, we'll go down, do the same on the other side. Again, you can go as far down as you want to, but you can decide how long you want your flamingo leg to be. About halfway down, what you want to do is you want to come down slightly further on this side, on the right hand side, and join it up like that, because we're going to wrap our second leg around our standing leg like the flamingos do, like so. And then after that we can finish off our standing leg like so. We'll do a standard sort of triangle shaped leg, the foot even. And then all we need to do is finish off our second leg, which is going to come, like I said, wrapped round. So we need to pretend that we can wrap it here where you think it would be. And then join it up to the body. Again, do the same on this side. So where you think it would come to. And add that in there. Finally, you can get your colours out and you can start colouring. Wow, that was a bit tricky. I hope you found that easy to follow along to. Don't forget, if you have any more suggestions, just drop them in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you again soon.